Designing emails in Klaviyo is an easy and creative process thanks to its intuitive drag-and-drop editor. Here's how to design your emails. Log into Klaviyo, access your account and go to the Campaigns tab to create a new email campaign. Choose a template or start from scratch. You can either choose a pre-built template or start with a blank email to fully customize it. Email layout. Using Klaviyo's drag-and-drop editor, you can add various blocks like text, images, buttons, social icons, and more. Simply drag the elements from the sidebar to your email design. Customize content. Click on the blocks to edit their content. You can change text, upload images, add links, and adjust styling like fonts, colors, and button designs. Klaviyo also allows you to add dynamic content with personalized tags, such as the recipient's first name or product recommendations. Preview and test. Once your email is designed, click on the preview button to see how it looks on desktop and mobile devices. You can send a test email to yourself to ensure everything appears correctly. Save and send. After finalizing the design, save your email and set up the sending parameters. Once ready, schedule or send the email immediately to your list.